In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dashboards in Salesforce CRM. Dashboards are powerful tools that allow you to visualize your data and gain insights at a glance. They're incredibly useful for tracking key performance indicators and making informed business decisions. Let's dive in and walk through the process of creating one step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. If you're not already a regular user, you'll find the login page straightforward, asking for your username and password. Once you're logged in, head over to the Dashboards tab. You might find it in the main navigation menu, and if not, a quick search in the app launcher should lead you there. Now you'll want to create a new dashboard. Look for the option labeled New Dashboard and give it a click. This is where the magic will begin. When the new window opens up, you'll be prompted to enter several key details. Start by providing a name for your dashboard. Make it specific and memorable so you can easily identify it later. Next, decide which folder you want to save it in. Folders can help keep your dashboard organized, especially if you're managing multiple projects. Once you've entered all the necessary details, go ahead and hit Create. With your new dashboard set up, it's time to add some widgets. Click the plus widget button, which will allow you to start populating your dashboard with data visualizations. The first thing you'll need to do is choose a report to serve as the data source. This is a crucial step because your dashboard will display metrics based on this data. Make sure to select a report that accurately represents the data you're looking to analyze. After selecting your data source, you'll be prompted to pick a type of chart to represent your data. Salesforce offers a variety of options like bar charts, pie charts, and tables, among others. Choose one that best suits your data analysis needs and present it in a way that's easy to interpret for your audience. Once you've chosen a chart type, you'll have the opportunity to adjust its settings. This might involve configuring filters, setting groupings, or customizing the appearance to make it more visually appealing. After you're satisfied with your setup, go ahead and add the widget to your dashboard. Finally, it's time to save your work and bring it to life. Clicking Save will ensure that all your effort is locked in. And to see everything in action, refresh your dashboard. You should now see your new widgets displayed, providing a dynamic view of your data insights. And there you have it, a newly created dashboard in Salesforce CRM, ready to help you track and analyze your key business metrics. Now you can use this visual report to make data-driven decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy dashboarding.